ShelterWorks field equipment protection can be custom engineered to meet the needs of any oil or natural gas application. We've designed shelters to protect SCADA systems, LACT units, odorizers, and wellheads, among many other types of equipment in oil and natural gas production. We can customize and create a shelter to meet your exact specifications. We can also include whatever integration options you may need, including explosion-proof electrical packages, indoor or outdoor lighting, single or double HVAC units, or housing for cabling, along with any other mounting reinforcements you might need. Our buildings can be insulated up to R39 or beyond, are maintenance-free, and come with our one-of-a-kind 25-year warranty. So fill out our form online or call us to get a quote for your shelter today. Remember, if it was built by ShelterWorks, it was built for life.